wanted to make sure because I was getting like a time. Oh shit! That guy wasn't paying attention. Guy wasn't paying attention.
Being appointed, elected here by the Human Rights Council, asked to do this work for the United Nations without remuneration, which indicates our commitment to the position. So we should not be penalized for doing our job properly. In my case in particular, I've already announced publicly to the President of the Human Rights Council that I'm retired. The U.S. says their goal in closing these actions are not penalized.
Oh, what a fucking idiot!
L'étape, je serais premier à dire, bon, CV, vous avez cassette. Qui est le président de la Société de développement commercial.
You fucking...
Your excuse won't fly. Jenny, you're wrong. Employees' personal phones are protected by privacy laws. You can't go through her personal phone without her permission. That's an invasion of privacy.
I am simply doing my job. I need to ensure the company's information security. I'm your manager. Don't meddle in other people's business.
Ensuring information.
got the white car and that Acura. Neither of them know which one they're pulling over. They're gonna take the white one since they offered.
No, the white car is the one that flew by and passed them.
No, that's not even.
Chuckles, I'm surprised it didn't fucking have a blowout just there. Jesus Christ. Yes, I've been driving since 5:30. I'll be my own next drive. God fucking damn these fucking roads.
He got hit.
Wisconsin, Nebraska. That's the problem. Part of it is like she's overperforming with white voters. Like she's doing well with white voters. I think there was maybe some concern. I know I had some concern demographically with Biden dropping out. Like Biden was doing very well with older white people. That was who he was working for, and I was like, oh man,
because he's an older white person.
Yes, he is. But she.
Lying asshole to another.
But it is looking.
You're about to run the light. You're about to run the light.
From when I was in the emergency vet with this cat like a few months ago to now, like the cat's just like, I'm fine. What are you guys talking about? Like I open human food and the cat gets all excited, wants to eat food. So I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, duty cat. Yeah, it doesn't sound fine. No, it doesn't sound fine at all.
What pees in the litter box? What's the? That's what I don't understand. Litter box.
What? You want some?
You want some?
No.
You fucking want some?
No.
You want some?
That's it.
Come on.
That's
swing.
it what I need.
Swing.
That's all what I need.
Get out of my face.
Okay, that's it.
I'll fucking knock you out, my guy.
Whoa! Oh, fuck. What the fuck, man? Out of fucking green light! What the fuck?
You guys okay?
Out of fucking green light!
Buzzard Radio. The mighty Bosstones erupted before Mrs. Allerton, the U.S. history